Why does your scanner show the P2126 engine code? What does it mean? P2126 is a diagnostic trouble code for the throttle or pedal position, sensor or switch E, circuit range or performance. The P2126 engine code is a generic powertrain diagnostic trouble code indicating a throttle/pedal position sensor/switch E circuit range/performance issue. It means the vehicle's computer has detected that the accelerator pedal or throttle valve sensor is operating outside of its expected voltage or operational range. Under these circumstances, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty APP or throttle sensor, damaged or corroded wiring, contaminated sensor/throttle body, bad electrical connection, defective throttle actuator. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996. And it is commonly found in vehicles like Ford, Hyundai, Chevrolet, Honda, and Toyota. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.